When you say you shall papa to make one anti account. Oh, I know the Bible, my major banner family, and I'm you know, and you know, say be a minute, Dr. Kakuti, free and maybe a penny be and said you'll be who so be new be Kunawa. Go and fight your rival. Leave me alone.
GH page, I didn't shamo. Onyemuye, we yes to them up.
Remember we be a cover at the social media trend so GHP TV na and sama akoso at the Afa Tracy Boache ho na finally or the answers na at the aba na maybe a twem na omanfo bi e ba bonten and sama no ka and same eye akua enhira a we Tracy Boache ne baba na omota age say Dr. Koko Otin enane no ewoye empo Aisha modemu nyina beka ensem yi bi enya ono nko eye ankase former president of Ghana John Dramani Mahama so no amanfo bi ebeta age say one no ena ewoye na sansem yi a ekoso yi eno ena Tracy Boache ababontin e the answers na Ghana for penny na e the abromo empo ne nkasa yemu no na o kire mu say Dr. Okwot in school a year Angel Educational Complex in Ponum a year Tracy Boache so call school ni be a pen na efa relationships one papa no wo ene ne ba insurance wo no or the munchie mu nyina e de eto dwane beko ne akoti na na meka nyina amiehu sem a year Miradent for ene so asmedwumede we e brometry Miradent a dental product a free Germany aba a Food and Drugs Board Authority agi ade atum so pe toothpaste ombenye bi e de amount omo jelly e wo hono ma so winya bebo so ho ba ma so no ai fita kama e de amount omo lollipop ene chewing gum no so all we na water free no na ema osene so enya ahoden foforo busia yenkwa ene nkutie ensema Tracy Boache ade abetudwa
Sabia the so social media nti e bia penimu bia me ni free because say oh yes nti oh baby no and I make say rather no as a woman maminya sympathy they are rather paving ways for me. Yes, I mean I don't even have to say this. So almost started baby and my brother when they started and they know how things are going and no crampon about 20% of me to social media. And you know, say be a minute Dr. Kakuti free and maybe a penny be and then tell me about Dr. D and me call me school and me papa. Maybe I say, yeah. Now, Nepani insurance is 1 year own insurance put that. How is it possible? Insurance is always with their daddy. When you say insurance, the papa to make on anti account. Oh, I know the Bible, my major banner family, and I'm you know. And it won't change anything. Said Dr. Becca say, hey, mommy, yes, he's saying no. I mean how? He's a well-respected man. What bro start here so? What you say? They know it's not true. But and I make her say person who near Juma Ghana. I just say we try and draw eto innocent people. So now we try and draw now follow wasting attention now people now what's that table adverts. Now we need Juma. And I'm assuming who you send over 200 gra. Almost cost one as I was telling you, it won't change anything. Say can nipa doing and come and say enka obi home me cry and nipa say can yakupon sin unkuno. But nipa dream enye nyame adwen. And I don't know. I'm so moka se bia blessing all my life. And trobi omutwa bia sana me hono. Into uncle Jaikasa CCA, but it hasn't spoiled any relationship I'm with Penibia, and it will not spoil any good relationship I'm with Penibia because we know, say, this is too, and throwing away too cheap. It won't change anything.
Alright, abusa we and in some Tracy Boache Eddie Abetudwa na Tracy Kroya so Dr. Koko Otin some amount for a can say nana down for any Dr. Koko Otin the fourth wife Akua GMB now so no Tracy eje papa edne free Akua and some I no pumokoma a won some no eba bebe mu and also no chese shomudi and some bia Tracy kekan no and a Ghana for so Tracy I reacted to some no esan same na ochirem so no ankasa Tracy Boache no sebe so ya na danfo mpona no betwem pana ompe na nyese ukunu ena omabefa wo sansam no ena ode tudwa dodo na so eka ho yenko enyenkotie no emra.
This question I really didn't want to talk about it, but let me just brush through it. Me who so obi ni obi dated akra me penny pa. That is me. How much more Madam Fo? You say, me Madam Fo Kunawa. I can never do that. I will never do that. And can you do that? I've answered that in some live video I'm here, but let me just say it lightly here. Intimate struggle. Say, you be who so be kunawa. Go and fight your rival. Leave me alone. Say you be any man, say me ni obi na wa na bibia. You know how, you know who I am, you know how I do my things. And Queen Shura Papa is not even known the way people are mentioning in Penifo. Leave these innocent men alone. Let's respect them. You respect us. If you do that, it won't push me. And me easy can free my account and say in Shura, Yankopon, and they are talking about me say, oh Shura me. If something is not mine, I will not put it on social media, and I don't show off. I encourage. Says oh yeah, as young as 30 years, you can own houses, you can own cars. But me yeah, my regrets. Few years, my regrets. Okay, I didn't regret in my life. I wish say I could go back and delete it and answer my new cry 2020. The way I was responding to people. When you say up till now, I'm telling you I could do share videos maybe. I don't think meeting should be that. I asked myself, said, wow, did I do this? I don't know what came over me. And I always ask God, so I'm from a born nature. Send me deep him, send me deep for. I shouldn't have done it. Whoever I fought, until I had this year, and baby are attacking me. Sometimes I see them, sometimes I don't see them. The book I mean, when you know the panel did my 4 or 5 months ago, I won't respond. And you know, the regret if you ask me, 2020, how I was coming out to respond, it affected my family so much, especially my mama. The mama said being quiet. One time she called on video, me picky and I read, and she was crying. The only problem they say, my daughter was too young, and I was so hot. And she said, "Wow, what I made about social media, I didn't have more than ever since she said that, I stopped. Till now, it's almost a year new since 1 year crying, and I am still sticking to it. To be a baking here, okay. I know between me and Yanko. So why do I have to come? And the thing is, and you don't become be a to say, Tracy, I can't hear you. No, you will be on the fake account, and no one or JD. The blog be a kind one or my dear, Sunny man crying to home here. Hey, what channel energy and the mouth family with Juma, Okoso Papa, and what they hate to see, and they say, Okoso, so time beyond. Prove them wrong. Maybe policy I made name we prove them wrong. Many pound who be na call you. Many pound who be hey, me who last week na say hey na this week say sana abraboni e bono. Me mo na obo abraboni kofo. Tom. And the abemo bra kofom is when you pay attention to negativity. It won't help.
Abusa for Tracy and Yakuti no abane to asubim na meka ngina so pekinte papa opekinta efedia enoa and first class kente so obimpo ewo phone so na unya bia first class for ebenya bi edi amount for mo number no na enomu endi juma na Ghana for do na so ade ba ko mo pe de fi Tracy Buache ho and say Tracy Buache ankasa no ne ba akua insure papa ene hwan Ghana for so mo pen ehun to mo fa anase Tracy fa no embra social media so no Tracy Buache say enfo bia ho on fa ne ba ne papa no emma social media emfa me won the ba emma ni sika emfa hwenso emehye ni botom ene ensam no do na ena osan e de to aso yenkotie no emrai
ase me oni se me hu bia mystery oni dey say mystery yes me dress it me nim fashion in fact me nim tea no bia me nim tea dey ali na sika ni bia kunu ira na me ho na mo be say indirectly, you know, they know I'm smart, my dear, and yet a near Cassini Bema. Enya ntade akese ene ba me bia pe oba ye ne bobra. It's funny enough say innocent respected men e wo ye mind and now omo say but that's not the first time they're doing it. Omo taye me ba ekwi anhira enye social media for na enye me na me de me ba ekwi anhira papa abre social media for. Look, me my social media on control. Say, my social media controller, ask yourself, say, a true dear, are they the ones going to help you? No. Share nya sempre. I want to go say social media no. Obi a talk credit every type video type media no jai phone at all. And you know it too. Don't be happy say obi yes say eh na kwi share into obenyina be hu di. Na me ba kwi share no very no. Obenyina be hu di. The more you know, we don't care. Se mambo bra, anani papa mambo bra mi amfa akra den see ya, and no, any hard. Our aim is to raise our children. Ni info mundrum pempen so bi. Say we make us say passport kwa woni bi. My daughter always traveled on a first and business class with her daddy. Maybe can't a pension papa tre sebi omo person now. What will you do? I won't do anything. And I want him, don't stop, keep doing it. Because they say, you know, which I can be my relevant. Do it. And I make her say, baby, I'm holding me a free, baby, I'm holding me a dream, baby, I'm holding me a corner. They make her listen to me, shram. Why are you? And my wife didn't say, you can't, you go, you go over papa. I'm not phoning over papa. Social media phoning over papa. Any year. Obia suni hono ma e na make am owo ni bibi papa bi ye obo ni brebia ekwe enhira papa e be ne headache. Enti as I said no any social media for na nyem me na me de ekwe enhira papa ba na de menti asem so obi na ninti e kwa de ade na skafo nyina mo de okoma mi. Someone who say indirectly no e wo se musuesu amanamo e na make am enye kuntan yo any akesem any editing social media me kai me si so me si me dan komase they were saying say and oba de oba ware ko konfie and wo si dan dey and atontade hye me ka sentade hye nye but obia ne aim on the TV ase say me rent sem any me problem no me ti 30,000 40,000 atade I don't care because me lay foundation ne wi wo si so abobra I don't know so ma enyema em from punto row eda your priority. It doesn't work that way. You can't cry you be the atem but that's the truth. Mo type the atem we am go that no one say ya cancel. Let's face facts. Yenjene ye ho yenye ne mebe boy. What would sound say in the next 10-20 years now that's what you on Instagram with the atem. The next 20 years where would you be? Say Yankopon money that's what in common. Have you asked yourself how you want your life to be in the next 10-20 years now? Now that's what fake account did matter. Now that's what nah. Let's think about those things.
Alright, abusa for hasei enedin nsam no ebesi na eye Tracy Boache TV ho no na Tracy Boache edin sami ebeto intadofo monko subscribe to the channel no na chese bibia so entime nko so fefefe enfama yina medin ene abna good make no na mugu so subscribe to GHP TV makramo.